see anything. Okay, so hi everyone who studies Russian or speaks it. My name is Yaroslava. I'm Russian language teacher and I want to speedrun Duolingo. And obviously Duolingo is extremely popular. Probably it's the most popular app for language learners all over the world. My own experience with Duolingo, it was quite, I think my longest streak, probably like 60 days and more. I've been studying Turkish and I don't know Turkish at all. I know some of the grammar, but it wasn't useful at all. I've been learning French, German, Swedish through Duolingo, and I don't know, it's just, that's not how people speak. If you just want a nice hobby, then probably. I don't know, but what I'm about to do, I just got a completely new Duolingo account and I will, so what you can do, oh, now you can study letters here. That's cool. If I remember correctly, it wasn't a thing a long time ago, because long time ago I was curious and I checked what this Russian language journey on Duolingo is. Okay, I won't be doing alphabet. Very likely I know it well. And let's start with placement test. First we will see what my level is. Итак, it's not America but Canada.
У меня есть лошадь.
I have, you have, so I have horse. Cool.
У нас дома нельзя курить.
Так, hour. I forgot that I have to know English to complete this test. In our house. Так, хороший композитор. I feel smart. Дверь. Вы это видите? How can I make mistakes in this? And
В лесу тихо.
it's supposed to be harder.
В.
I like the voices.
Моя девушка пишет письмо своим родителям.
Actually, I'm curious, how do they solve this problem with continuous tenses? Just regular Russian, because, you know, it's only one tense. One present tense, one past tense, and one future tense. Of course, we have aspects, but... Супер.
Под машиной кошка. Под.
По вечерам.
Вечером.
Вечером. You can say по вечерам тоже.
Эта выставка открылась в прошлом месяце.
I have a good feeling. I think I can do this. Yeah.
Я.
Go to bed. Because I expected it to be I go to sleep early. Я иду спать.
Я бегу по улице.
Actually, I never understand this type of exercises because it's quite easy to understand what's going on here. Так, put the box in place. Okay, in its place. Иди направо.
Иди направо.
Is it complicated? Or is it because I just failed? He's cute. In front. So they don't have... It's not because I don't know Russian, it's because I don't know freaking English. These articles, they're driving me crazy. Why? We just use order in sentence. Dima wash the dishes. Articles. Ладно, I don't know English, okay? I will be very focused on this, okay? The answer. I need an English teacher. I just got lost with this amount of options. This is nice because they have this of, and of is showing relations. And that is all about genitive case in Russian. Центр города. Center of city. Because I would say in the city center. But it's not grammatically correct. Are you following? Center. Это все? 48% of the Russian course. Was it possible to... Let's do this, okay? Complete this final checkpoint to earn your Russian trophy. I wanted to do this with English so many times. I was training so hard, but probably in Russian. Probably I can do this in Russian. 200.
200.
Легко.
Нам нечего терять.
Type in English. Рождество было вчера.
Ее любимое оружие – копье.
I don't even know how... Weapon is a spear. I don't want it to fail because I don't know this. Так, хорошо. And it's only the start. Дети смеялись, читая этот рассказ.
Вера вышла замуж за Сергея в 2003 году.
Not in 2003 year, right? Okay.
Мы поедем в Южную Испанию на летние каникулы.
And this is what I don't really like in Duolingo. You won't be able to speak in sentences. You won't be able to speak in sentences. You won't be able to speak in Russian, in any language, because you're practicing another skill. You're practicing not communicating skills, but just translate. If you want to translate, of course, but what's the point? Just take a nice textbook. Go in. We will go. But we will go. Okay, we will go. Spain. I would say to the south of Spain. Okay. На юг. Мы поедем на юг Испании. Because I don't think in Russian anyone says Южная Испания, Юг Испании, Юг России. I'm gonna fail. I will fail 100%. I'm already failing. So, to the South Spain for summer holidays. Так,
А судьи кто?
это Грибоедов. Who the judges are? This. Like, that's the point. I will discuss this. I will report this. Because grammatically this is correct, right? This is correct. А судьи кто? It is from Грибоедов's Горе от ума. This character, he wanted to point that people who are judging them, who are judging him, they basically don't have the right to do this. And they're not even better. They're not having this nobility, and they don't have any right to judge him. I will report this. Accepted.
Знал, что они встречаются.
Let's do something easy.
Состояние экономики становится хуже.
Yeah, that's true, but economy? I would say the economy is getting worse. But, oh my. State of economy is getting worse. I think that just economy should work, as I wanted to do it in this first.
Сколько партий участвовало в выборах?
Interesting. Так.
Год назад она переехала в Москву.
Так. She moved to Moscow a year ago. Please tell me, is it not right? One more mistake. I have one more.
Тебе нравится
I'm not even in a half. Just bad. It's just bad. The vegetables, the bag is served. Вегетаб или нет? Нет. Check.
Я хочу научиться играть на музыкальном инструменте.
Это злой волшебник.
He is an evil magician. I want one more. Okay? I need it. Let's go. Is it the same thing?
200. Простой музыкальный инструмент.
Это злой волшебник.
He is an evil wizard. Okay, I'm stupid. Yeah. I had the second chance and I failed. I don't know. Haven't gotten dressed. I would never say this in my life. Okay, last time.
Моя бабушка не знает, что такое Facebook.
It was nice to see you as usual. It was nice to talk to you as usual. I hope it worked. Yeah.